Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Increasing your testosterone hormones signals your whole body towards masculinity. It will also send signals to your throat for a more profound voice. Spinach, oysters, macadamized nuts, barley, eggs, broccoli, raisins and extra virgin olive oil are some foods that increase your T level.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yup, it lowers your voice. Warm water is better for doing this, since cold water can cause your vocal cords to constrict, which tenses up the sound. And ale is even better because it relaxes your muscles and tastes nice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Honey will in no way, shape, or form cause your voice to be lower. It can, however, help prevent your voice from going higher. Honey does a few important things to your voice. First off, it lubricates your vocal cords.
Take our lead.
Milk creates phlegm and can definitely affect your speaking voice, making it difficult to deliver that seamless performance. Proponents of soy milk products suggest that it doesn't generate the mucus buildup apparent after drinking regular milk, and they imply the taste is just as good as the real thing.
Take our lead.
The best drinks for your singing voice are water, especially room temperature water, perhaps with a squeeze or two of lemon, and tea, but be careful about consuming too much caffeine, which can dehydrate you. You can find wonderful herbal teas designed for singers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, it's called chronic laryngitis. The larynx is also known as the voice box. When people smoke and drink any alcohol, not just whiskey, they irritate the mucosal lining of the larynx, which causes inflammation, swelling. This thickens the vocal cords and causes a raspy voice.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It is well known that both sugar and caffeine have an effect on the whole of the body that can make you less productive after an initial short-lasting spike of energy. Chocolate may coat the back of the throat, giving you more phlegm and a flatter-sounding voice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.